Today is National Peanut Butter Day. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. Peanut butter you like, or peanut butter you allergy? Peanut butter. So you're going to have your thumb of your dominant hand kind of like here back behind your, like right around your two front teeth, come out, and then butter. Make a closed 3, and then your 2 fingers will swipe the inside of your non-dominant hand. Peanut butter. Happy National Peanut Butter Day. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.